This is Fairway Tita and welcome to another episode of Q&A with Fairway Tita. First question that I got was, when did you fall in love with the game of golf? So, almost 2 years na ako guys na nag-golf last December. So, when did I fall in love with the game? Actually, I think from the moment nung nasa driving range ako with coach at hindi ko matira and I wanted to quit, I knew that time that I think I was already hooked into the game. And I think that is when I also realized how much I loved and I was so passionate about the game because I kept on practicing, I kept on swinging, I kept on putting in the house, minsan sa office, and minsan kapag nasa mall or kung ano-ano lang, unconsciously parang magsuswing ka. And that's when I knew I fell in love already with the game. That initially I really had a lot of reservations about the game. In fact, I felt na I wouldn't even, like it because mainit siya and it was really so hard to hit the ball. But it was a challenging thing for me. And my personality is when I am challenged, the more that I try to learn and, practice more. So that's when I knew that I fell already in love with the game of golf. The mere fact that I couldn't hit it and I really wanted and I was practicing so much, that's when I knew I was already hooked with the game. There's also another question. If I could replay the one round in my life, what would that round be? Siguro, because it was my first time, I think the whole game, when I first won my championship trophy in the ladies division, which was in Eastridge siya. First time ko sumali ng tournament, guys. And I was just a substitute player, guys. I wasn't really I didn't really intend to play in that tournament, but my friend who was supposed to play got sick, so kailangan ng kapalit. And for the fun of it, I just wanted to try and see how I will do. So I joined that tournament, and luckily, guys, first time I won a trophy. So I was so surprised. Even si Fairway Tito was very surprised that I even won. But I think it was the most relaxed round I had. I didn't think of the trophy. I didn't even think about winning. I just was happy to be there and to experience how it is to play in a tournament. So I think for me, that is one of the best rounds ever. It's parang playing without yung talagang truly enjoying the game lang without, thinking about placing or whatever. So, I think that is one of my best rounds if tatanungin ako. What is the best piece of advice that I would give or that I have received in golf? Okay, madami akong mga advices na na-receive. Siguro one of the best advice is to enjoy the game, not worry about the score, which I really, when it was said to me, I really parang took it to heart. I always tell them to just enjoy. Pag marami silang, they tell me na nakakatakot or parang beginner lang sila, then they're gonna play with me. Then natatawa lang ako and I tell them na just enjoy, just, have fun. Don't worry about the score. Don't worry about if you have a bad shot. Just enjoy and have fun. And it is something that I learned also from other people. And it's also an advice that I've always heard pro golfers tell me when I ask them the question kung ano yung golf advice nila for beginners is to enjoy the game, have fun. So when you have fun in golf, then everything follows. So your body is relaxed, you hit better, your mind is clearer, and you're much more parang confident in your shots. So, yun, I think that's the one best golf advice I have received, that I really also advise to other people when they ask me what is the golf advice as a big that I can give to beginner golfers. What is my favorite who is my favorite player of all time? Oh my gosh, mahirap tong tanong na to. First of all, because I'm a biased tita, may pamangkin si Sam. She's an amateur golfer, and there's a lot more, years for her to play in a pro level and an amateur level. But why her? Because not only because she is my pamangkin, but because I see in her the qualities na I think what truly is the meaning of golf. What is golf, diba? It is having that persistence, that resilience in yourself, diba? Yung having that to push through even if it's hard. Nakita ko sa kanya yon, yung pagsabayin niya yung pagka-college niya, academics niya, and then being an elite athlete, giving up so much of her time, so much of her life, lalo na nung bata siya, to play golf at an elite level. It's something that I truly admire in her in such a young age. So isa yun sa the reason why she's one of my favorite golf personality of all time. Okay, so ang isa pa, yung hindi naman related sa akin, I think it would be Tiger Woods, saka si Tiger Woods. I think siya talaga ang he brought a lot of life to golf. His personality and his skills. It's something na parang captivated the world. And it really parang gave golf that push that it needed to be able to expand, and to be able to also expand the network of people who are playing golf. And maganda yung story din niya kasi, yung about yung at a young age, diba? The resilience, the patience, the hard work, everything to get to where he was. And also maganda rin yung the story of his parang mga setbacks, mga personal setbacks niya, and how it actually challenged him when he made a comeback. So I think those are very dramatic golf events that really, is my favorite. Kasi for me, it's not just about playing. It's more than that. Golf teaches us a lot of lessons about life. And like in his life, what happened to Tiger Woods, how he became number one, and he was, has broken a lot of records, and then, having, bad decisions in his life, and then overcoming those decisions, and then having a comeback as a golf player. I think it's a nice story that a lot of people can learn from, diba? And be inspired in their life.